going to make a toy car out of a box. Use this box of an ice cream box without any cover. As you see, I started to put this is from used illustration board, side mirrors, and the driving wheel. I got a straw and a round tiny object to fit as, or if you don't have like this plastic, you could make like this. Okay, now we add the other. Okay, this on this side, need glue gun, of course. Oops. Okay. Okay, now we need lights. Here I got the paper with silvery top cover or not. If you don't have it, you could use again like this, shape it into a round and cover with the silver paper or an aluminum foil. This serves as the lights. On front, and of course the plate number. That the highway patrol may not catch you and put you to prison and give you cases there. And also the back. Oops. And lastly will be the tire. What I did is I got a huge plastic straw and barbecue stick and what is it called, this bottle cup. We need 4 of these. Okay, we now glue. Oops. There you go. Another one. course you have to add some chairs here. Wait, let's get here. I have some chair here made out of styro. Put it there. Oops, it's too big. This is just like that. There we go. Of course you have to measure. Just showing you how to put the chair. You have to measure your chair so that the doll could fit in. This is too big, so that's it, guys. Anyway, just show you how to make the chair. It's up to you to measure it here. Okay, I think that's all for now. If you like, by the way, if you like, you could put some you could paint this, or you could put some what do you call this, stickers. Okay, I think that's all for now. Enjoy and have a good day. Bye everyone.